No matter what the circumstance, it's so important for you and I to remember a simple truth about the valley of the shadow of death. You see, for there to be a shadow, there also must be a light. And that light is Jesus, the great light of this world. He walks in the valley with us. He hears your thoughts, the pain is punishing thee. Lost in a mosh pit of your conscience, erasing your demons. Feel at ease and believe they be killing the heart of the darkness that is spreading so wickedly. From cuts and bruises, punched in the fucking disillusions. Contemplating life, cause at every corner you feel you're losing. An endless maze and the pain is amplified. The movement of the evil that's collapsing your lungs until you can't breathe. Still don't never wanna leave. It's like attached to you, attacking you with a fucking bat till your back hits you. Over and over, it's taking away your will and suffocating your strength, letting insanity build. Have another drink, pop another pill, take another hit, tell me how you feel. That'll make it hurt even worse. It's the thirst, cause where there is dark, there is light, but you still gotta have faith. Taking the light, feel free. Faith. Trust in the Lord, you will see. As I'm walking through this valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, He's with me every step I have. Taking the light, feel free. Trust in the Lord, you will see. As I'm walking through this valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, He's with me every step I have. Falling into what feels like a bottomless pit, but you gotta get out of the terror the devil put into your mental, demolish it. Let there be light where there is dark. Never the end it is. Long as you got G.O.D. in your heart, then you can harness it. Smite away the demons, gotta fight till you stop the bleeding. With Christ in your life, it won't be pain, beloved. Joy you're feeling, feeding on it, astonished for the honest that honestly vanished in a moment with a promise that'll bind us together for life and ease. Chance to do everything I can, I be living to the fullest, hella foolish, dodging every bullet I see. I breathe, and everything is under my wings. Light brings elevated thoughts, but I feel lost. Gotta think clearly, spiritually. But the sin is such a dark stain, and with so much of it heart's drained, up and stained. But all up into your thoughts is corrupted on each vein. But no matter how much it aches, I pray for my sins and mistakes. For my soul you can take, cause I have faith. Taking the light, feel free. Faith. Trust in the Lord, you will see. As I'm walking through this valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, He's with me every step I have. Faith. Taking the light, feel free. Faith. Trust in the Lord, you will see. As I'm walking through this valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, He's with me every step I have. Taking the light, feel free. Trust in the Lord, you will see. As I'm walking through this valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, He's with me every step I have. As I walk this valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, He's with me every step. As I walk this valley of the shadow of death,